Good morning, students. Welcome back to PowerPoint class. Today we are discussing the topics from Insert tab in that text group, the different options, word art, date and time, slide numbers, symbols, and object. Last class, from the Insert tab in the text groups, we discussed how to insert text box and header and footer. Remaining 7 are there in that text group that we are discussing: word art, date and time, slide numbers, symbols, and object. First one is word art. This word art option already you have used in Word also. Same word art option is used in PowerPoint presentation also. Here word art is a gallery of text styles that you can add to your slide to create decorative effects such as shadowed or mirrored, that is reflected text. You can make attractive presentation by using this word art. You can change word art text like you can change any other text in a shape. There are different word art will be displayed in word art gallery. Okay, that word art, using that word art, you can make a presentation very attractive. For invitation cards and all, we'll make design in that cards and all. Similar way, you can make designed presentation. Steps to add word art. First one, click the Insert tab. From the text group, you have to select a word art. Then click on the word art styles that you want to insert. Okay, this is your word art gallery. You can see here different styles word art are there. Which is better you feel, which is very attractive. That word art you can select from this word art gallery. There are very different word arts are there. Here different word arts with different shapes, different styles. There will be word art like you will be having arc-like structure. Then there will be shadowed and 3D effects are there, colored is there, and this kind of word art are there. Different styles word art are there on the screen. Okay, next, whenever you click on that word art, automatically this word text dialog box will displayed on the screen. That is edit word art text dialog box. That will be displayed on the screen. Then type your text in the text box. You have to type here the text. Which text you want on the word art. That text you have to type here. Whenever you insert word art, then MS PowerPoint automatically provides the Format tab under Drawing toolbar. Okay, automatically it will provide you the Format tab on the Drawing toolbar. You have to type here text. Okay, after typing the text, whenever you press OK, automatically it will provide you Drawing toolbar. Okay, here this is Drawing toolbar which is there on the MS PowerPoint. You can apply any type of options from Format tab under Drawing toolbar. Here different shapes are there, and here word art styles are there. You can fill the text, you can make the outline text, you can set the text effects, everything is there. You can bring to front, send to back, selection pan. These all options are there in a Format tab Drawing toolbar. Here you can edit the shape of a word art, and you can set the here shape outlines also, shape effects also, shape fill. If you want to fill any other texture, that also you can fill, and you can fill the color also, and you can text outline you can change, text effects you can change, everything you can change here. And you can rotate the text, align the text, you can make a group of text, everything you can do from this Format tab's Drawing toolbar. It will be displayed on the screen there. Okay, this inserts your word art on the screen, and you can make a changes that will be applied to the PowerPoint presentation. That word art will be displayed on the screen. Same option you have used in MS Word also, same option we are using here in PowerPoint. Next one is date and time. This one is very simple, you know this one. Just you can apply date and time in different formats as you want. Here steps to add the date and time is just click on the insert tab and from text group select the date and time. It will display different available formats of date and times. There will be so many different date and time options are there. They are available in that. Just select the required one. Whichever you want, you select, that will be inserted to your PowerPoint presentation. It is very simple. Similar way you will insert in MS Word also, and previous in basic Notepad, WordPad also you have inserted date and time. After choosing the exact format, whichever you want, like you want date first or date, month, year, or if you want in a text format, you can select the date, month, year in text format also. Everything you can select from the available option of the date and time dialog box. Next one will be slide number. Just whenever you click on slide number, automatically that will be, means that slide number will be added to the presentation. The slide numbers reflects the position of slide within the presentation. Which slide, that will be displayed on the screen here, slide number. Next one is symbols, which are not there on the keyboard. That symbols you can insert from this dialog box. You can use the symbol dialog box to insert symbols, such as this arrow key is not there in keyboard, this symbol is not there, that are not in your keyboard, as well as Unicode characters you can insert like pi, ohm, sigma, that are not there in a keyboard, that you can insert from this symbol option. And if you want phone symbol, if you want any mobile symbol, if you want any house symbol, that you can add from this symbol option. The types of symbols and characters that you can insert depend on the font that you choose. Okay, this is your symbol dialog box. Whichever font you will change, automatically that symbols also will change. Depend on the font, which font you are using, those symbols will be displayed on the screen. These are the different symbols. Here currency symbols, these are currency symbols. Font is here, it is there, see normal text it is. Like if you change here font, automatically those symbols will be displayed on the screen. This is symbol dialog box. Same symbol dialog box and symbol option you have used in MS Word also. Like just click on the slide where you want to insert the symbol. On the insert tab in the text group, click symbol. Just in a insert tab from the text group, click the symbol. Dialog box will appear. Whichever symbol you want to insert, just select that one and click on insert. That will be inserted to your presentation. Okay. Next one will be object. This option is also there in insert tab from the text group only. This option allows you to insert different documents and images like Excel sheet, PowerPoint slides, paintbrush, pictures, etc. and even allows you to create your own object. Means from this option you can insert any file, MS Excel file to your PowerPoint, or any paintbrush or picture, anything you can insert from this option. Or you can create a new file also, new BMP picture you want to insert into, bitmap picture you want to insert into your presentation. That time you can click on paintbrush, create new object. Automatically that file will be displayed on the screen, that will be inserted to your PowerPoint presentation. There you can draw the paint file, that will be inserted to your PowerPoint presentation. Here steps are: click on the insert tab, in that select the text group and click object. You have to click on object. Click on create new. There will be two options, create new or create from file. Create new means that object will be created newly. You have to create that. That will be inserted to your presentation. One more option, create from file, means already it is created, it is there, that just you have to insert. That's you have to select the file that will be inserted to your PowerPoint presentation. Then click on OK to insert object. Okay, if you select create new, automatically the new file will be displayed on the screen. There you have to create a, just I am taking example of paintbrush. Whenever you insert create new paintbrush, that paintbrush file only will be displayed on the screen of PowerPoint presentation. All options will be displayed on the screen of the paintbrush. Just you have to draw the picture there, and if you click outside, automatically that file will be inserted to your presentation. Create from file means already before only you have created the paintbrush file. Just you are choosing that file from that location, that is create from file. That will be inserted to your PowerPoint presentation. I am taking example of paintbrush. You can insert here Excel sheet, you can here insert here Word file, everything. You can insert from object option, or any pictures you can insert, okay. Everything you can insert from the object option of insert tab in that text group, okay. In the insert tab, there will be text group, in that you are having option like object, okay. This is about today's topic. Okay, you are getting an important question from this topic are, list the groups of insert tab. You have to list the groups of insert tab. All the group you have to mention there for 2 marks. Or define word art. What is word art? You have to define. And for 5 marks, sometimes they will ask, explain the steps to insert object to the slide. You have to explain the steps how you are inserting an object to the slide. And for 15 marks, sometimes they will ask like this, explain insert tab with diagram. Here you have to draw the insert tab neatly and explain all groups, each and every group with all sub options also. Because it is asked for 15 marks, you have to mention all the insert tabs, all groups along with subgroups. Okay, and you have to draw the diagram also very neatly. You have to mention the parts also. Okay, it is, if you do that one, you will get full marks of 15 marks. And write notes in your notebook, everything. I am sending PDF also of this slide, PowerPoint slides. You write notes in your notebook. Okay. Next class we are discussing different topics of MS PowerPoint. Okay, have a good day, be healthy and be happy, and start reading the topics regularly. Okay, have a nice time.